Now to the ag scale. On your ag scale, in order to calibrate it, you have 4 tubes that pull out from the side of the plant, 2 on each side. That is where you hang your weights off each corner. You never want to hang on one corner only. Minimum 2 corners opposite of each other, but technically you want to use all 4 corners. You pull them out, the weights there, the chains that go on there, your weights hang. You have limit switches on your clamshell gates. You have a limit switch located here on the back of the back gate and on the front of the front gate. Both of those limit switches work in series. You have to make sure that they're properly adjusted to get your close signal back on your automation. As far as greasing the clamshells, you can see there is a Zerk fitting on the clamshell themselves. Now this plant here has a central grease location. You grease everything on the plant from right here, but you want to make sure that your clamshells are greased. For your scales, each scale has a load cell summons box. All 4 cells go into that. Then you have your home run cable that runs back to the automation. If you ever have a problem, that is where your scale company would start to check the problem. They can check each individual cell.